In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Translate error. This page could not be translated in Google Chrome. If you've ever encountered this frustrating issue while trying to translate a web page, you're not alone. Fortunately, I have a couple of solutions you can try to resolve this problem. First, we need to review your language settings in Google Chrome to ensure everything is set up correctly. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the window for the 3 vertical dots, also known as the menu button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you'll see various options along the left-hand side. You want to click on Languages. Here, you should see an option that says Use Google Translate. Make sure this option is turned on. When it's activated, Chrome attempts to translate any page not in your default language automatically. If it's not enabled, toggle it on by clicking the switch. This simple tweak can often solve the issue right away, allowing you to translate pages without a hitch. Now, let's move on to another method you can use if the first approach doesn't quite solve your problem. Sometimes manually translating the page can bypass whatever is causing the automatic translation to fail. Open the website you want to translate. Then, right-click anywhere on the web page. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Translate to English, or to whatever your default language is set. Click this option. What happens here is that Chrome attempts a fresh translation of the page without relying on the automatic function. This can be particularly helpful if certain page elements were causing the automatic translation to hang or get confused. These 2 quick methods should effectively resolve the "this page could not be translated" error for most users out there. By adjusting your language settings in Chrome and trying a manual translation, you can overcome this obstacle and continue browsing the web without interruption. It's important to remember that sometimes website code can affect translations, so if these methods don't solve your issue right away, give it another shot, as temporary glitches can also play a role in these errors. I hope you found these tips useful for fixing the Google Translate error in Chrome. Give them a try and get back to surfing the web with no language barriers. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.